So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money to your bank account in Canada here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you to go to this bottom bar and select on Cash Out. Now, unfortunately for me, I'm located in Canada. There actually isn't an option for me to withdraw directly to my bank account, but if you're in the United States, for example, I'll post a picture on the screen right now of what that will look like. This could very well be updated in the future to Canada, but if it's not, the only way, unfortunately, for you guys to withdraw money to your bank account would be to sort of withdraw it a different way and then have someone transfer you money in some sort of exchange there. So, for example, if you have $100 in your Freecash account and you wanted to get that in the form of an Amazon gift card, maybe you can withdraw, $100 worth of Amazon gift cards. Maybe you can swap that over. You can trade that with someone. You can sell it off to someone for, I don't know, $80, for example, and that person can transfer you money. Maybe it's through an e-transfer or whatever that way. So, unfortunately, as of right now, there's no way to withdraw money directly to your bank account here in Canada, but the workaround is to get, the money into one of these gift cards, sell the gift cards off to someone, and get that payment in return in the form of a bank transfer, an e-transfer, or something around those lines. So, unfortunately, there's no way, maybe updated in the future, that this could be a possibility, but that's how you guys, I guess, can do a workaround on how to withdraw money to your bank account here on Freecash in Canada. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.